So you remember the pants that I turned into a paper bag skirt? This is the top part that was remaining, and I just want to make it a fitted short. So what I want to do for these pants is I want to just forfeit the pockets. What I want to do, this trouser is kind of stretchy in a way, not so stretchy but a little bit stretchy, but it is so big I will need to take around 9 inches or 10 inches from the hips so that it can fit my hips, because it goes up to hip size 48 and I am a size 38, you see. So yes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the front pocket part from here to here, where the pocket ends is around 4.5 inches. So I'm just going to fold the whole of this like so that this part, beginning of the pocket here, meets with this line. That is the simplest way I can explain it. So you just fold the pocket part from the beginning of the pocket. You make sure that that point of the pocket touches the side seam, like so. And just make sure you confirm that your hips will be okay. It will depend on how much, the size of your trouser and the size of your hips that you're working with. Pin it down. You see the way I have folded? You make sure that it is even from the top to the bottom. So I'm just going to pin them down. Okay, let's do it together. Make sure the waist is aligned. So if you are using safety pins to secure this, you can just try it on and make sure that it is the size that you want, just to confirm. But if you are sure, you can just proceed and sew this down. So now, since we have an idea of what we are going to do, so I'll measure this, the size of the pocket, this width. I'm going to take in about 4.5 inches. So from the seam, from the side seam, I am going to measure 4.5 inches just to make sure that I cut it the right way, evenly. Towards the bottom, I will do like 4 inches so that it is balanced. After measuring, I will cut, but not exactly at that point. I will leave some sewing allowance. So that is what I am remaining with. So then now what I'm going to do is just flip it inside out and sew the seams. So just pin down the sides and sew. I am done pinning the sides down, so I'm just going to sew. I'm just going to sew down. So I am done sewing the sides like that, and this other side. So that is how the short looks like, guys. Messed up here kidogo, but it's fine. I can just go back and cover it there. But that is how it looks. So you just make sure that the bottom is leveled, as you can see here. Sorry, as you can see here, it's not level. So you're just going to cut that, and if you want, you can just fold it up and sew, you know. But I'm just going to leave it at that because I'll just fold it up. You'll see what I mean. So trust me. So let's put it on and see.